this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. And I want to start by telling you, we really value you. Those that have subscribed to our channel, those that comment, those that like our videos, we don't take you for granted. We appreciate you so much and we pray for you. The returning subscribers, the new subscribers, and the people, keyboard reactors, those that like our videos, we appreciate you a lot. And we always tell you that we pray for you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord enlarge you. May the Lord protect you and shield you. We don't take it for granted that you come and support our channel. We appreciate a lot. And today, I want to talk about a group of people that are very, very important in our society, in our country, in where we live. And specifically today, I want to look at the diaspora people in Jamaica. This is a group of people, even here in Kenya, that are very, very important to us. They go and look for green pastures and they contribute a lot to the country's economy. And that is why I decided to talk about these noble people, these great people who have actually gone to work tirelessly, very hard, to make sure that people at home are comfortable. People at home, their countries are getting developed. Their countries are being uplifted economically in terms of technology, in terms of education, in terms of productivity. These people are great. And today, I want us to focus on the diaspora people in Jamaica. First of all, I want to start by saying the diaspora people in Jamaica have intentionally worked so hard to uplift the lives of those they left at home. And a good example, we have seen Kino and the Dream Team. The Dream Team are people actually from the diaspora. And we have seen the work that Kino is doing. We saw him buying mattresses for the old people, blankets, providing the food, making sure they have shelter, like he built a house for Mother Teresa, and ensuring that these people are comfortable and they live a good life. All these projects are possible because of the Jamaicans that live in the diaspora. And not even that, we have seen Kino also going ahead to actually support people who are very poor in Jamaica. The other day, we saw Kino going to where this lady was given some money to renovate the house, and then it's like she actually used the money and the house was not renovated. And we came to realize that this lady has 7 children. It's not easy to bring up 7 children. But these people in diaspora make it possible, make it easy for this lady that she cannot go through stress and depression because there is someone holding her hand. So these people are very, very important to us. And we really celebrate them, we salute them, because even after going in the diaspora, they have not forgotten their roots. They have not forgotten where they came from. They have not forgotten their country and their people. We appreciate them a lot. Cora Smith has also been doing a lot in terms of helping, feeding, and constructing houses. And I'm sure he is also funded from a source. And therefore, these people are doing a great job. And not even that. I came to realize that these people in the diaspora have formed groups. One of the groups I came to realize is the Association of Jamaica in the United Kingdom, UK. And this organization is so old. It is started long time ago. And the work of this organization is to actually help the small organizations that are in Jamaica and also help in the education of the pupils or students that come from the poor background. They are doing a great job. And we really celebrate you, the Association of Jamaicans in UK. This is a group of people that have come together with the aim of helping the citizens of their country, uplifting their lives in terms of agriculture, in terms of education, in terms of whatever small they can give these people. and we appreciate them a lot. There are some charitable organizations in Jamaica, and I'm sure they get funds from the diaspora people. Like there is this organization we call Angels of Love in Jamaica. And these small organizations are able to survive because of the diaspora people that fund them and make sure they are doing their work on the ground. Because remember, the people in the diaspora cannot be coming to their country every year, and therefore they entrust the small organizations to do the work while they are funding these organizations. So we have that organization called Angels of Love in Jamaica, and also we have Food for the Poor. This is a very big organization in Jamaica that feeds the poor. And I really appreciate this organization, because when there is no such organizations, many children sleep hungry. Many people sleep hungry. I've seen it here in Kenya, in the slums. And a child comes and tells you, I've not eaten the whole day and the night. So when we have such an organization, Food for the Poor, it makes sure no child is sleeping hungry. No child is actually has hated himself or herself because of the poverty they are going through. And it lessens the number of people going through depression and stress, because when you see your child not feeding, when you see your child has slept hungry, when you see your child you cannot afford to put a meal on the table, I tell you, for the parent, it's not easy. And that is why we learn in the Bible, these two women that when there was famine in Samaria, and they decided to eat their children, because it's not easy to look at your child dying of hunger. And therefore, we really celebrate Food for the Poor in Jamaica, and the Angels of Love, and all the charitable organizations that are doing work in Jamaica to ensure that women and children do not sleep hungry. Then there is this other organization that is called United for Jamaican Transformation. United Jamaicans Transformation. This is an organization that is so big and powerful. It includes all the people that live in the diaspora that come from Jamaica. It does not specify a certain country. You could come from UK, from Australia, from America, from Brazil, from every country that we call diaspora. And they have come together with the aim of uplifting their country in terms of productivity, in terms of agriculture, in terms of education, in terms of in general, uplifting the lives of the people in Jamaica. And I realized this organization had a conference between 16th and 19th of this month. And the aim of this conference was to discuss on the problems that are on the ground in Jamaica, like the security problem, the agricultural problems. In other words, they sit down to discuss on how Jamaica can be a better place to live for the people that are living in Jamaica. So they were to discuss on the security, on the youth empowerment, on productivity, on uplifting Jamaica to be the best country that you can be. So this group, the United Jamaicans Transformation, aims at transforming Jamaica to be a better country for everybody to actually celebrate and be happy. And I've told you they had a conference. And during this conference, they were discussing some issues that are affecting Jamaican people and that are going to uplift the people of Jamaica in a greater way. They have sat down, decided to actually come home after a whole 5 years in diaspora. Imagine they have grouped together, come home in Montego Bay, have a conference there where people can go and showcase their businesses, showcase their trade, showcase what they do, so that they can promote trade, they can promote business, they can promote education, they can promote what? Youth empowerment, jobs, and so on. So it is a group of people that come together from different countries in the diaspora. And I learned that this group not only comes to discuss things, they are very, very much involved in agriculture. There is a project that is going on so that 895 hectares of land can be cultivated. The Ministry of Agriculture in Jamaica, the government of Jamaica, the government of UK, and the Caribbean organizations have come together so that they can ensure this land is cultivated, it is given the best irrigation equipment, and therefore produce a lot of crops or a lot of foodstuffs so that they can be exported and some to be consumed in Jamaica. And to this effect, the Minister for Agriculture, I don't know whether they are called the Minister for Agriculture because that is what we call them here in Kenya, attended this conference. And he campaigned on what he was calling Eat Jamaica Global Campaign. Eat Jamaica Global Campaign. He was actually marketing the foodstuffs that are produced in Jamaica. And this is a great move because the people he was meeting with are the people that are going to take this news to the countries they live in. They are actually ambassadors of Jamaica in the countries they live in, and they can market Jamaica in a very great way. And therefore, when this Minister for Agriculture came to campaign, or rather to actually launch Eat Jamaica Global Campaign, it is a very, very good initiative to market the produce of Jamaica. We have discussed that Jamaica has fertile soils. It has a lot of agricultural produce. It produces sugar, it produces coffee, it produces fruits, mangoes, ackee, and a lot of things. And therefore, if this ministry or minister can ensure that these people that have come from all different diaspora countries go and market the foodstuffs of Jamaica, then Jamaica's economy will go higher and higher. And therefore, these organizations are doing a great work to actually market their country and also to support financially and physically by coming to the ground and showing the people we have not forgotten our country, we still remember our country, we are ready to participate in the development of our country. And therefore we celebrate the Jamaican people in the diaspora. I might not have mentioned all the organizations that have been set by the people in the diaspora, and therefore if you are there in diaspora, because there are so many people that follow me that tell me I am in US, I am in UK, and therefore if you are there and you have other organizations that I have not mentioned, you can actually tell us in the comment section below and what your organization is doing to uplift the lives of Jamaican, the poor people in Jamaica, the child who has no money for education in Jamaica, and all the people that require support in Jamaica. So if you're in diaspora and you have an organization, you can tell us what your organization is doing to uplift the people of Jamaica and actually to uplift the economy of Jamaica. I really found this a very good move. These people have just come together to form groups. We have seen there is a group in UK, there is a group in the globe, the whole globe. All the diaspora people in all the countries are in the diaspora. And this is a very good move. It has shown us a lot of unity, a lot of respect for Jamaica to the people the people who have come out of Jamaica. It has shown us the patriotism of the people of Jamaica to their land and to where they have come from, to their roots. We really celebrate you. I've not had such organizations in Kenya, and that is why I'm really celebrating Jamaica, because when the diaspora people realizes They need to invest in their country. They need to support the people in their country. They need to actually be a powerhouse in terms of political, productivity, and every activity taking place in their country. That is a very, very good move. After that, I want to move to Burkina Faso and talk about this great president. I think this channel now has come a channel whereby we really appreciate the great work people are doing. So today, I want us to celebrate President Ibrahim Traoré. This guy, like I said the other day, is only 38 years and he's doing tremendously well to uplift the lives of Burkina Faso people. He entered to power through a coup. And the first thing to explain why he had to actually remove the person who was the president before him, he said that that person who was the president was not actually solving the problems that were being faced by the people of Burkina Faso. And I tell you, this generation that is young has got the zeal, the power to transform their country to greater heights of prosperity and accountability. And President Ibrahim has actually started a lot of initiative to actually uplift the standard of living in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a poor country, and therefore this man has to do a lot of work to uplift the lives of the people in Burkina Faso, the health facilities, the infrastructure, and everything else to provide food for the people of Burkina Faso. And he has started by declaring food sufficiency in Burkina Faso. And he's actually moving to make sure that Burkina Faso people have enough food to support them. And I want to start by highlighting some of the programs he has put in place. I want to start by actually looking at, he has actually started a project to mine gold in Burkina Faso. And we all know, if this project succeeds and this president is able to mine gold, then the economy of Burkina Faso will move very, very fast. He has also started a project to actually enlarge the airport and renovate the airport so that they can be able to accommodate a lot of foreigners to come to their country so that they can uplift the economy of that country. He has also started projects in infrastructure, roads. So we have said he has put initiative to make sure that there is sufficiency of food in Burkina Faso. He has started construction of roads. He has started construction of the airport. He has started a gold mine. And all these projects are aimed at making sure the people of Burkina Faso live better lives in terms of health, in terms of finances, in terms of their level of living to be uplifted. I loved this president so much because he's a down-to-earth person. Imagine a president going to donate blood to the people who are suffering in hospitals. This guy is people's servant, not unlike the president we have who wants to become gods. This person has lowered himself to serve the people of Burkina Faso. And we really wish him well. We really pray for his protection. We really pray that he's going to take Burkina Faso to the next level of accountability and prosperity. And to the Africans, we have a reef to borrow from. We have a very good role model. And the presidents in Africa can actually borrow a reef from Ibrahim Traoré so that we can make Africa independent, financially, socially, economically, and everything. And we can only do this through hard work, through sacrifice. And by the way, I forgot to say, this president has actually cut off his payment, his salary parliament salary. You know, that requires a great gentleman to agree that I am going to lower my salary so that I can uplift the lives of the people that have elected me, that have put me on power. It's not a small thing. And actually to convince the members of parliament to allow him to deduct their salaries. I found this guy a great man. I could see in the comment section people saying they can vote him to be the president of Africa, and I really support them. If a person is going to uplift the lives of people, then why not? We celebrate you, Ibrahim Trail, for the good things you are doing, and we hope you do not change. You continue doing things to uplift the people of Burkina Faso. We celebrate you and we are happy about you. Now let me come to Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango has returned to the motherland. I don't know whether we say that is what we say in Kikuyu when you are celebrating something good. So Dee Mwango is again in Jamaica. And I love her energy when she sets her foot in Jamaica. She's full of joy, full of energy, full of smiles, full of activities. That is Dee Mwango in Jamaica. And I love the way the Jamaican people welcomed her. I could read the comment section and they were telling her, welcome to the motherland, welcome to your home, welcome Dee to your country, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to... Hey! Let me tell you, the Jamaicans welcomed Dee in style. And the Jamaican people, we really value. Don't you ever doubt that us, we value the way you love Dee Mwango, because we have seen it. And even if there are few of us who are negative, don't ever doubt that we appreciate the way you love our girl, the way you treat her, the way you celebrate her, the way you support her. We appreciate you so, so much. And now today, Dee Mwango announced that she is dealing with the haters. And I was like, yes, let them stop destroying the family. Let them stop ruining this girl. Let them stop pulling her down. And she has taken the step. And there is one woman, though she did not say who it is, but I think it is one of the two people that are very, very, very focal in attacking the family, attacking everybody, bringing these people down, and actually bringing shame to the whole family. Because when you attack a woman like Ogratsman, it is so bad. And therefore, I really celebrate you for taking an action for these people. Let them run the lesson. Let them know it is not just speaking about you and they go on with their lives and they go on shooting videos, relying on you, being paid by YouTube because of you. So let them face the love. And therefore today, I think I'll end there the video, and I want to really thank you for supporting us. Really thank you for actually subscribing to our channel, and actually thank you for commenting, correcting us, contributing. We really appreciate you, and we really are happy. So see you during the next video. Share our videos, continue subscribing, continue supporting us, and we appreciate you so much.